here's how to assemble the KOMOS Rubicon Jockey Box. With a durable rotomolded body and a slimline cold plate for compact, efficient cooling, this is the ideal option for serving beer at your next cookout, tailgate, or camping trip. Once you have all the parts in front of you, we're ready to assemble the draft box. Place the slimline cold plate inside the cooler with the beverage inlet and outlets facing the right side where the pre-drilled holes are located in the cooler. Remove the Duotight fitting and hex nut from each shank, then install the shanks in the pre-drilled holes at the front of the cooler. Thread on the hex nut and tighten in place. Attach the Duotight fittings with female beer thread on the back of the shanks. Use the draft wrench to tighten in place. Attach the 4 Duotight fittings with female flare thread to the beverage inlets and outlets on the cold plate. Using the tubing cutter, cut 6 lengths of draft line in the following lengths: 1 20-inch length, 1 9-inch length, 2 6-inch lengths, and 2 3-inch lengths. The tubing cutter is also the perfect way to remove your draft tubing from the Duotight fittings. To attach the draft line to the Duotight fittings, push the tubing firmly into the fitting and pull back slightly to lock into place. Attach the 20-inch line to the left-hand side shank and then to either outlet located on the right-hand side of the cold plate. Attach the 9-inch line to the right-hand side shank and then to the remaining outlet located on the right side of the cold plate. Attach 1 Duotight elbow to each of the 6-inch lengths and then attach them to the cold plate inlets on the left side of the cold plate. Attach a 3-inch line to each Duotight elbow and feed it through the pre-drilled holes. Then attach the remaining Duotight elbows to the line on the outside of the cooler. That's how to assemble the KOMOS Rubicon Draft Box. Thanks for watching. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos from MoreBeer. Cheers.